everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have done this beautiful prom inspired makeup look. I absolutely love it. I am in love with it. I am obsessed with this look. First time I've ever curled my hair. I've not done it on camera because I was a bit nervous and a bit scared because, like I say, it's the first time I've ever used a curling wand, and knowing me, I'd be like that girl that the hair fell out or I burnt myself and was on the way to A&E. It is like 28 to 29 degrees here in the UK and I'm just melting quicker than ice cream. Not a clue, but this hair's something else. Does nails, came out with this palette with Revolution. This is the first palette she came out with. I'm trying to get my hands on the second palette because I really want to try that palette out. It looks amazing. This is the palette. I mean, everyone and their mother's seen this palette. I haven't got the name card for this palette anymore, so I'll just have to point out the shades that I'm using. So I do apologise for that. The first colour that I'm going to use is like this light mustardy brown. And I'm going to use that on my Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush. And just pop that straight into my crease. Just go into this one here. I'm sure this one's called Cup of Tea, but then again I could be wrong. So just going to also place that into the crease, just building that crease colour up. Into this looks like peachy, like a peach colour. I'm just going to run that on the outer portion of my eye. I really love Revolution's formulas because they're so pigmented. Then I'm going to go into this colour here, this bronze colour. This one here. Onto the outer parts of my eye. In with the Essence Full Camouflage Concealer. Using my Eco Tools double-ended brush, I'm going to use the smudger end. And then I'm going to use this sparkly colour and pop that on where I've put that concealer. Just going to put a bit of my Carmex Cherry Lip Balm on because my lips are feeling dry AF. A bit of this Glitter Fix Gel from Stargazer. Use this angled brush from eBay. Oh, my back's killing me. And I'm just going to put a bit of this fixing gel just like at the start of my cut crease. And I'm going to use the Stargazer Glitter Shake Pot, and this one is the silver. My hands on one of these, which is the Revolution Renaissance Flick Pen. So let's try this. Tape off and see how we've done. Not bad at all. Okay, so I'm going to go on to the rest of my face, then I will come back to the eyes. I'm going to use the MD Measurable Defense Hemp Oil. I have been absolutely loving this oil. So you've got the Strobe cream from Primark and the number 7 Skin Illuminator. Foundation this summer, I've been absolutely loving these two together. This is the Maybelline Superstay, and this one is the Body Shop Matte Clay Skin Clarifying Foundation, and together these two are brilliant. They're back in with the Essence Full Camouflage Concealer. Set that in place. I'm going to go in with my Technic Soft Focus Loose Powder, and I'm going to use my Real Techniques contour brush because it's the best brush for under the eyes in my opinion. This is the W7 contour stick, and I'm going to use the contour side. Then as always, I'm going to go in with my trusty Rimmel Stay Matte and set the rest of my face. I'm just going to go in with Technic's bronzer palette, powder bronzer. These two colours here and mix them together. Going back into my powder, I'm going to do that trick with the sponge and really sharpen that contour. I've been loving this PS Peaching highlighter from Primark for £2.50. I use it as a nice peachy blush, and I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques blush brush and blush up my cheeks. For highlighter, I'm going in with Revolution's Renaissance Glow. Because we've got all that powder on our face, we're going to use the PS Primer Water and just spritz that all over so that it merges all together. That just smells so beautiful and I absolutely love it. Not going to be putting on lashes because not everybody wants to wear lashes on their prom, because maybe you can't do them just like me, or maybe you just find it a little bit too hard just like me, and maybe you just want to rock your own lashes because you've got good lashes, not like me. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to curl my lashes using my PS curler, and plus I haven't got any lashes to put on because I haven't found any that I actually like. So for mascara, I'm just going to use the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot and pop that on my top lashes. I'm going to take a Zoeva 230 pencil brush, and I'm going to go into that peach colour and just pop that on. Then I'm going to go into that copper shade again and kind of lip that I wanted to do. I don't know whether I wanted to go with the nudie patootie, but I don't think I will. This one's the Matte Ink Superstay, and that one is in Loyalist, but I don't think I'm going to try that. Then I've got the L'Oreal Lip Matte Paint, and this one is in Hollywood Beige. I wish you guys were actually here with me so you could actually tell me what colour I should put on my lips, but I think I'm going to be quite bold on the lips. I think I'm going to be bold on the lips and go in with this Essence Metal Shock Lip Paint, and this one is in the shade Lily of the Valley, which is number 3. Almost forgot, I've not put mascara on the bottom of my lashes. So I'm just going to go back in with that Maybelline Big Shot Colossal. As we do per usual, I'm going to go in with a PS primer water and set all this in place. That just feels so nice. It just feels so good in this heat. So guys, this is the final look. I really hope that you like it. I really enjoyed doing this video. I didn't know which way it was going to go with the lion mane of a hair that I've done today. I really hope that you like it. So if you do like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel if you want to, no pressure. Also hit that notification bell if you are subscribed to my channel so you get updated every single time that I upload a new video. And until the next time guys, I love you all and see you soon. Bye!